My name is Ashley Gibbons, and I am the BSW Program Director. Social work is different from like psychology or, family services or human resources or something like that, in the sense that we really take into account the individual in their environment. So we look at their family unit, their friends, their community, the policies that are impacting them, and through that have a better understanding of what supports they might need or what resources they might need to be successful. Whenever students apply to the university, they apply as a pre-social work student. So they come in, they take their freshman, sophomore courses as pre-social work. And then whenever they finish those, they apply to the professional social work program. And then they do 3 semesters of professional social work courses. So they'll work with clients, they'll work with different community members, and engaging in practice in some organization that aligns with their interests. I think my favorite part is seeing students that come into the professional courses not kind of having an idea of where they want to go, and then seeing them that last semester in their practicum. Everybody says practicum is their absolute favorite part of the program. Seeing them towards the end of that being like, oh my gosh, I did X, Y, or Z during my practicum and I never thought I would do that. A lot of students will end up going ahead and getting their master's in social work. It's not required. If you get an undergraduate degree in social work, that master's is really only 2 to 3 more semesters. I think my biggest piece of advice is make connections with faculty early. So come see us, talk to us. We want you to succeed, whether it's social work or somewhere else, but you're not gonna be able to figure out much about social work without talking to people who are in the field.